Competitive ka ba? I think may dalawang klaseng competitive. Yung unang type of competitive, yung talagang sisirain yung kalaban. Yung talagang ruthless, no mercy. Will do all tactics, even unethical practices para lang to be ahead in the game. Pero meron ding competitive na nagsistrive to be the number one. Kasi sinipagan, kasi may goal, kasi alam niyang may ibubuga siya. Pag sa business, yung competition talagang nandyan yan. It's either you get the client or others will. Kaya dun tayo sa pangalawa, yung being competitive because you want to give your best. Kaya pwede din natin pag-isipan yung competitive advantage natin. Yung competitive advantage can come in the form of better service, your sincerity, your innovations, yung responsiveness. Maraming areas na pwede kang mag-stand out. But always remember your values. Hindi porkeng competitive ka, maninira ka na ng tao at gagawa ng doubtful methods. Kasi unang-una, dududahan ka rin ng team mo. Kasi kung kaya mong gawin sa iba yan, baka sa kanila din gagawin mo rin. So keep your integrity intact while being highly competitive. In fact, the highest form of competitiveness is to compete with yourself. Break your own record and try to become better each day. If you do this, you will experience growth and of course, maraming blessings ang darating.